When it comes to Christmas time, one of the things that's always great is to have something that's a little whimsical and nostalgic, but really beautiful at the same time. These snowmen are amazing. They're like large glass ornaments, really, really beautiful. They have little glass noses and cute little expressions on their faces, and they have a little pipe cleaner for a scarf, and they have this kind of reflector on the inside that I love. And they're going to have, it's been your choice of two with either the black hat or the red hat. Now, these are the tabletop, and we're going to have the ornaments. So let me give you an idea of size next to size. Here you go. Here's the tabletop, here's the ornament. They're both good size, they're both gorgeous. Obviously the ornament hangs, and again, it's gonna be two of either color hat, whichever you prefer. But I love these because they're such, again, a grand scale. And I think in so many cases, it's the scale that makes the difference. If these were regular size ornaments, they'd be cute, but not this wow. You know, now they really fill up the tree. They're a focal point. They're different. They really, really draw attention. When I started doing this tree, one of my main reasons for doing this theme of the red with the snowy was the snowman. And I love this tree. I love the snowman on it. I think that it's wonderfully nostalgic without being kitschy, if you know what I mean. So if you love beautiful signature Christmas decor, if you love things that are really different and gorgeous, if you love things that have a hint of nostalgia, you are going to love those snowmen.